Did you know that across the globe, there is an air quality crisis? Today we're going to spend a little bit of time talking about air pollution. First of all, what is air pollution? Air pollution is a mix of gases, chemicals, dust, pollen, and mold. These all float in the air. Around 91% of the world's population is in danger. In other words, many people live in places where air quality is poor. For this reason, millions of people die each year. Overall, air pollution harms our health. It is one of the major global causes of death. Together, we'll learn more about air quality and our health today. Finally, we'll consider what we can do to help. So let's get started. Recent studies found nearly 8.8 million people die due to air pollution each year. Air pollution causes nearly 1 in 8 deaths. Indoor and outdoor air pollution are to blame. Overall, these sources of toxic air pollution are a big health danger. Clearly, poor air quality is a major global health issue. Worldwide, this issue needs more of our attention. Overall, reducing this dangerous pollution can save the lives of people around the world. The World Health Organization shows 2 types of air pollution. The first is indoor air pollution. Firstly, exposure to indoor air pollutants can harm people's health. Some examples include cancer, eye problems, and sickness relating to breathing. Also, there's a risk of burns, poisonings, and other injuries that also go up. Let's talk about some of the dangerous indoor air pollutants. These include smoke, mold, building materials like flooring, glue, and wood products, home products like sprays and cleaners, chemicals, and gases like radon. These types of air pollution are largely made by indoor fuels like wood and coal, wasteful cooking, cleaners, chemicals like paint and varnish. Secondly, outdoor air pollutants can also harm people's health. For example, these types of pollutants cause breathing problems. Common problems include asthma and reduced lung function. Some of the dangerous outdoor air pollutants include particulate matter, which are small molecules of dust, dirt, soot, and smoke in the air, ground level ozone, which is the main ingredient in smog, nitrogen dioxide, which is primarily found in fertilizers, sulfur dioxide, which is from burning of fossil fuels. This type of pollution is made by a number of human activities, including fuel from cars, trucks, and other vehicles, heat and energy generation, factories, dust, farming, garbage, and waste. Both of these types of pollution contain a pollutant called particulate matter. So what is particulate matter? Particulate matter is basically tiny particles found in the air. It can include things like dust, pollen, soot, and smoke. This type of matter is important. It's a big part of air quality. Basically, particulate matter is so small it affects many people. In fact, it's worse than other types of air pollutants. Above all, it's very easy for people to breathe. Therefore, these particles get stuck in the lungs. Finally, the particles can even get into our blood. So just how big is the air pollution problem? A quote from Dr. Maria Neiraia, the director of the World Health Organization's Department for Public Health, stated the following: "The risks from air pollution are now far greater than previously thought. Few risks have a greater impact on global health today than air pollution." In conclusion, scientists agree that more work is needed to improve air quality. Air pollution is a global issue. Much of the global population is at risk. Specifically, people who live in developing countries have the highest risk. Firstly, these people make up 82% of the world population. Secondly, developing countries have fewer choices for clean fuels. They also lack the technology for cleaner ways to supply energy. Thirdly, in most developing countries, indoor fuel is animal waste or wood. Finally, women and children find and burn the fuel. In other words, women and children are more at risk than men. Why should we care about reducing air pollution? Reducing air pollution makes a healthier world for everyone. For instance, cleaner transportation, better sources of power, both reduce pollution. Another example is energy-efficient waste management. Altogether, these changes will improve health. Finally, these air-friendly changes decrease climate pollutants, thus creating healthier lifestyles. People can fight air pollution also with social media. Firstly, social media increases the voices of concerned people. This allows people who want change to be heard. Secondly, these people can also inspire others. Together, we can grow environmental discussions. So how can you help to improve air quality where you live? Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe our video. We hope to see you watching other videos with us.